Every single day I got clean up the kitchen. Screaming every say it's for a ball of the dishes. And Julius remember, he's a monster I live with. That's the reason why I sleep, cause I just reached my limit.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the marker Lorena Boy Scout Class Keep Super-G Major 1. This video contains, in yard, I have message for videos is creators. Please don't be laughed. From marker Lorena Boy 223. Video. This device you will never reroll. Now resume regular video. Programming. Back enjoy your videos.
What is that?
I can't know. Let's see when they open the window.
Oh my god, it's getting leafy! Go away my house!
Nice, better, much.
what is
Dad!
No, I cannot, dear. He looked like a leafy with red and shark eyes. Even after the nights.
It's
evil
leafy!
What is that?
I
something
think how is
picture look like a
evil leafy
it's
all red?
Just keep your mouth shut, hell.
Oh,
sorry. Oh my god! It's evil leafy! Ah! Oh, hello there.
It's that
A glass.
glasses for a move.
Luigi,
Alright,
take off your
glasses. Wait,
Hey, who are you?
It's me, Chick. I'm the one who started out the spion. Is a stupid evil leafy?
what's the
What's about?
Yes, I do. I can't believe it. I think evil leafy is stupid. Well, something how I deal at the house.
What's
The rumble!
I cannot leave. That's right, Dad. He is gone. Umbrella, I'm very scary, the earthquakes. Don't worry, Clark. It's alright. The earthquake is just rumble and rumble. Yeah, that's alright. Am I hitting earthquakes or something else the rumble again? Alright, let's go outside.
Hey you, what the hell's the fucking shit there?
No, it's not. Not me.
Keep your mouth shut again, you stupid. Figuring on my sounds and it occurs.
Alright,
Keep your mouth shut.
shut.
We need to have
Have a friggin'
Wait a minute. It's my t-shirt?
This is Civil Message Emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the bully and friends. This sound look like earthquake warning. Everyone shelter the earthquake. Get your shelter immediately. They're crossing the road and moving earthquake Hal and jarred the east guy outside the door. He name was Mano, 13 years old. Weighing 8 pounds and 20 pence, and brown hair and black eye, he last. Wearing Jog the Killer Master t-shirt, brown shorts. Police trying the earthquake shaking. Stay tuned, more update about this situation.
Welcome to United States. I am Susan and today is the day of when the earthquake will begin. Earthquake in Gumball Town and Death Story. Many pride die for the city. Today is Friday, April 2nd, 2017. Residents in earthquake fallout shelter. The earthquake shaking sound and explosion. Gumball Town Destroy by earthquake. Helen Melody and Jared the East Guy. Hi 2K12 East and Josiah and the East Gacha and Country Balls Guyana away into Gumball Town City in 2 a.m. afternoon. Is me Susan, signing off.
Are we there?
No, not yet. I'm very tired.
Me too, I'm the water.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Speaker box! Yay! And also two!
Also me.
Oh soon, I'm here now.
Meto, I'm back.
Me too, I'm here now. And also me.
Yes, I do. I'm back here.
I'm back!
I'm Daddy Hot. I'm back now. Yeah, we're here now. I'm back, so no.
I'm here.
And me too. Also, I'm back now.
Yes, I'm back.
All for us?
Yay!
He's
Alive! All alive!
now!
Yes, Coffee 7 right now. I think the Howlands in the red ball and Pinky and Speaking Box and Red Bull Truck. Alright, let's go to the portal. Quick,